Wait, are you still paying into Spaceship Super? Or did you hear something unsettling? Like, maybe it's not even there anymore? I know, it sounds crazy. But in today's financial climate, crazy is practically Tuesday. You're not alone if that question has been nagging at you. Let's rewind a bit. Spaceship Super, for those who might be new, burst onto the scene with a promise, a tech-forward, streamlined superannuation experience. They appealed to a younger, digitally savvy audience, offering investment options in tech giants and a user-friendly app. They were the disruptors, the cool kids of the superworld. And for a while, it seemed like they were flying high, pardon the pun. But then, the whispers started. Maybe it was the broader economic downturn, the rising interest rates, or just the inherent volatility of the tech sector. Whatever the cause, questions about Spaceship Super's performance, its long-term viability, and even its operational status began to circulate. Now, let's be clear. No, Spaceship Super hasn't outright closed in the dramatic sense of packing up and shutting down. They're still operating, still managing funds. But the narrative has shifted. And that's where the confusion, and frankly, the anxiety, comes from. The reality is, the superannuation landscape is incredibly competitive. Funds are constantly battling for market share, and performance is scrutinized intensely. Spaceship Super, like many other funds, has faced challenges. Investment returns haven't always met expectations, and the focus on tech, while initially appealing, has proven to be a double-edged sword when the sector faces turbulence. Furthermore, there's been a growing concern regarding the fees and the overall value proposition. Are the fees justified by the performance and the unique features offered? This is a question many super members are asking, not just about Spaceship Super, but across the board. And then, there's the issue of transparency. In an age of instant information, people expect clear and consistent communication. When there are perceived gaps or a lack of clarity, it fuels speculation and, yes, even rumors about closures. So, what should you do? Panic? No. Absolutely not. The first step is to do your own research. Don't rely on hearsay. Go directly to Spaceship Super's website, review their performance reports, and understand their current investment strategy. If you're unsure, seek professional financial advice. Compare Spaceship Super's performance with other super funds. Look at their fees, their investment options, and their overall track record. Consider your own risk tolerance and your long-term financial goals. Does Spaceship Super still align with those goals? It's also crucial to remember that superannuation is a long-term game. Short-term fluctuations are inevitable. While it's important to monitor performance and make informed decisions, avoid making impulsive changes based on temporary market conditions. The question of whether Spaceship Super has closed is a loaded one. It's more accurate to say that they're facing challenges and adapting to a changing market. Whether they can navigate these challenges successfully remains to be seen. But ultimately, the decision of whether to stay or switch is yours. Don't let fear or uncertainty dictate your financial decisions. Educate yourself, seek expert advice, and make informed choices that are right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.